So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover your Safepal wallet. Now in order to recover your Safepal wallet, you'll first need to open up your app, go to your software wallet and select add existing wallet. So if you're here, you will need to go to your software wallet. Through here, so once you're there, you should log out if you're using a pre-existing wallet. And if you want to import an already existing one or to recover it, you will need to go and set up a new security password for the app itself. Select software wallet and then go to import wallet after that. So choose the method you use to back up your wallet, something like a mnemonic phrase, and just be very careful with typing out or pasting your recovery words in the correct order, separating each word with single space, and name that specific wallet, and after that you can import it. So through here you can see your market, your explore options, swaps and trade. So just make sure that if you don't want to use this wallet anymore, that you go to import wallet. And after that, that new wallet, once you open up your Safepal account, will be there to and added to your account. So that's how you can add or recover your Safepal wallet. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Safepal Wallet or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.